Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, are you facing unable to download the app especially for Clash of Clans? So here is the solution. So first of all, we will go to phone settings. So let's find phone settings and also please be with me till the end of the video so that I could tell you each and every steps here. So first of all, after going to phone settings, we just need to go to apps. So click on it and after that click on app management. Find find Google Play services for AR. Here you can see, tap on it. Now tap on force stop. Let's do it. Now tap on storage usage. After that, clear cache. Here you can see I clicked on it. Now you can see this is cleaned properly. Now let's click on clear data. Tap on it. After reading this message, this app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So you just need to click on delete. And after this, you just need to restart the phone. After restarting, you can go to Play Store. Let's find it. Now you can see here. Click on search, find Clash of Clans. The same process for whatever app you want to download in your phone, the same process will be followed. So if you're not able to, especially for Clash of Clans, if you're not able to download it, you can simply click on download, and as I told you that the same process will go with another app also. Now you can see problem is fixed and now we are able to download Clash of Clans. I hope this video helped you. Now you can play, and this is how you have to follow the process and you can find the solution. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.